గౌరవనీయులైన రాష్ట్ర కమిషనర్ పోలీస్ ట్రాఫిక్ శ్రీ జితేందర్ గారికి,
today it is very important day that MD of State Bank of Hyderabad is with us. I can tell you that State Bank of Hyderabad has been in forefront for whatever effort we try to do for the traffic police. I must share with all of you that when we started this net banking facility for payment of the challans, State Bank of Hyderabad was in forefront. And next bank came was ICICI Bank. Now morning I was trying to show MD Garu that this our traffic challans being paid. Hyderabad State Bank of Hyderabad constitutes very important role they have in collection of the challans. And as he suggested that we should go in further ahead in our association, we'll definitely go ahead. First of all, I thank him for sponsoring the boards, the signage boards for us, and we definitely look forward for future also working together. On this occasion, I would like to definitely say the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana. From day one, he has been saying that Hyderabad should be made a global city. It is true that Hyderabad is one of the beautiful city in this country, because I can say it proudly, because maybe I have seen all the important cities of this country, be it Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Calcutta, Chennai, Trivandrum, Kanpur, Lucknow, Lahore, then Indore, Nagpur, whatever cities are there, Ahmedabad, whatever cities are there in this country, I have seen most of them. I can tell you, proudly tell you, that it is one of the beautiful cities we have in this country. So many historical sites are there in this city which no other city has. Maybe Delhi could be another city which has so many historical sites. Then you have all this modernity with the traditionalism. I tell you, biryani of Hyderabad is most famous all over the world, and similar is the halim. So you cannot have so many things together. Then you see Hyderabad has built up IT city on the other side of the old city. Now you see, it is a wonderful thing to see, like it has come up before our own eyes, and all these are the reasons that I have decided myself to settle down in Hyderabad. And I feel that this is the city where many people would like to. So great. So many people want to settle down here. But there is a lot of responsibility on our shoulders for everyone. And traffic police, Hyderabad traffic police has not gone behind in doing it, promoting the city as a global city. We have taken a lot of initiative. It is a very well-known thing for all citizens of Hyderabad that whatever initiatives have been taken by traffic police, these are all which are really appreciated by citizens of Hyderabad. Even yesterday, I was in one of the small meeting, Home Minister's meeting. Then I was very happy to see that all the citizens of Hyderabad are well aware about the initiatives which we have taken and very well conscious about it. They are really appreciating it. You know, we were the first city to introduce cashless system of payment of challan, where no policeman is supposed to collect the fine from any citizen in cash. We were the first city in this country to get these body-worn cameras for our police officers to bring about accountability and transparency in our functioning. You know, we were the first city in the country to introduce cameras on our cranes, where no complaints are received from the citizens afterwards about any kind of manhandling or any over enthusiasm by our officers. These are some of the things which we have taken up. Now you see, for parking, there were a lot of complaints from the citizens that these people who were given parking lots on contract basis by various civic agencies, they were overcharging from the people. It was like an open loot on the streets of Hyderabad. We thought we will not allow it. It is not possible that before our eyes these kind of things happen. We said no to it. We introduced no parking system, free parking system, and you know, State Bank of Hyderabad has come forward to basically sponsor such boards also, so that prominently people know that it is a free parking. Nobody is supposed to collect the fine amount, collection of the fee from the people. And I tell you, today we support nearly 200 parking lots in the city, which are free parking, where no citizen has to pay even a single NP from anyone. From our side, from traffic police side, we try to regulate it. We try to ensure that these parking lots always remain free. Next thing is that certain parking lots were already allotted to various contractors. We have requested DHMC to continue it till the time it is already given, and if they are found overcharging, we have been booking criminal cases against them so that they refrain from doing this.
City of Hyderabad. Please, we have been doing various types of activities to support the city of Hyderabad, to make the city of Hyderabad a better living place. As a very conscious corporate citizen of this city, we have been making various efforts. One of such effort is this, where we are giving 500 signage boards to police authorities, where the vehicles can be parked. One of the biggest problem of Hyderabad city is people park it without keeping the mind of the others' convenience and inconvenience. The park is across, they park it in front of another vehicle and things like that. There is lack of discipline among the ordinary people. So this is one thing which I think will give them a discipline. They can park it based on this board properly, so that other people, the general people, public, will not have an inconvenience of walking or parking or whatever. And this is a small effort on our side, and I am very sure going forward, whatever help this department require for this, as Ranganathji said, for the purpose of the U-turn or whatever signage boards required, if we can come to know that what is required, then we will be able to surely be able to help. We have got in our bank, we spend yearly around 12 crore of rupees of money for the purpose of CSR activity. So we do it throughout our area of operation in the entire state of Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and also outside like Karnataka, Maharashtra, and throughout India, and various types of activities we do. One of the important activities which we have been doing it in the entire state of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is this police boards. Both the parking board, also the direction board, then your road block kind of board. We have done it in Vijayawada, we have done it in Vizag, we have done it in Tirupati, we have done it in Warangal, we have done it in Hyderabad, and this is one of such activity. So we are very conscious that the people of the state should be benefited for their better living place. The Hyderabad should be the best place. As it is identified as the best place in the country to live. It should continue to be the best place in the country to live, where we all live, and we are proud of Hyderabad. And in fact, when we were discussing with SPG, Jitendraji, he was showing me the app, and it's a very good app. And if we can develop it, everybody uses that app and pays all the fines and things like that to the app, then it is a win-win, because the police department will not have to deploy any person for collection of the fines, and people will be able to be sitting at their home. And these are very good measures. And as you know, Telangana is one of the most tech-savvy states of the country. Hyderabad is the most tech-savvy place possibly in the country, along with Bangalore. So this type of efforts will be of great convenience. And any help the police department wants, State Bank of Hyderabad is there to support for the city of Hyderabad.